Friday, May 8th, and I wasn't out here yesterday. I wasn't feeling up, wasn't, wasn't feeling too good yesterday, so I just stayed at home and crashed for 3 hours. And these guys have been, looks like they've been busy sanding again. Aiden just picked up the last of the metal there to clear a path. And we've got all the parts ordered. And Ryan Johnson should be doing some shipping here today. But Dad's cutting some metal right now. I don't know where all that's going, but it's going in here somewhere. And you can see there's a nice fine layer of dust everywhere here. And looks like they were working on here something here, and that looks like the cover where the transmission would have gone before. And don't quite know exactly what they did here, but I'll check in with them. Sanding on the top still needs to be done. I can see just up there some more sanding needs done, but all the stuff on the sides appears to be done. Looks like they might be putting in a cross brace in here for the motor mounts. And this looks like it's been sanded and bondoed out as much as they could. As you remember correctly before, all these areas here, there was a ton of holes. So they've got all that filled in now. And they still got to ground out those bolts again. But the back braces are been installed here and welded in. And that was very much necessary because very thin walls here. And I don't know what they're up to here exactly, but I'm going to check in with them here right away and find out what all this cutting is still going on here. Day before yesterday we did big shop cleanup, and we're going to have to do another shop cleanup here, but they got everything out on the table over here, and obviously they're still doing some cutting for something here, but we'll figure it all out. Okay. One of the other things Dad did was he took out the old dash, and he pounded out all the dents and holes and whatnot, and as you can see, this has been sanded down really nice, and the bondo on here has been sanded out already. We're going to order some really nice gauges for the customer. We asked him what he wanted, and he just said just order what's good. So we're going to order all of that for him, get that in, and this is the leftover steel so far is there, and they're still working on some of that channel iron there. These are both of the bumpers. And this weekend, now that it's warmed up, I want to get all these freaking motors out of here because it's just in the way. Oh, Saturday, May 9th. And Emily came running into the shop this morning. Hi, good morning, baby. And they all just had their grub. Yeti's here, Charlie's here. He's howling because they all ate their breakfast. There's a little bit left over, but them damn magpies, eh, Charlie? Them damn magpies, they're thinking they're gonna come and get your grub. Them fuckers. Go take a walk to the river. These guys love walking to the river or to the garden. Haven't really been able to do this much all winter, obviously, but now everybody's excited. We're gonna go check out what's going on. Hey, that old fucker, he's just galloping here. He's so excited. Well, down at the riverbank, water's really high. Oh, Charlie's even going to go wading in there. So normally the water level's about out there, but ice just came off the river. Cleared up in a day here now. Oh, look how happy my dogs are. Yeah. Emily sure loves her farm now and her riverbank. full yard patrol this morning. Emily's walking the fence line. Charles is supervising. Yeti's backing everything up here. And Nina's just getting in there with the boys.